Hi guys, I may have just saved at least £1,500 from buying a new oven. So we got this old built-in oven from the previous owner when we moved into the property. As you can see, it looks old and it is unusual nowadays that they have a double oven of this width. Anyway, last week one morning, I was trying to grill some croissants, but the second I turned on the oven, it tripped the mains of our home. After having tried a few times by switching back on the circuit breaker, I was sure it was not going to work. I searched the internet and got a few quotes for a repair, and most of them are saying it may take a couple of £100 to check, and parts are not included. Parts could be well over £350. Most importantly, it is not guaranteed to fix the problem, and that's exactly the problem. So I searched for ways to fix the problem on YouTube. A lot of people are saying you need to change the element in the oven as the insulation may have been damaged by moisture or something. However, it is not going to be a small task. Considering the size of the oven and I need to take it out of the cupboard and etc. Then I stumbled upon a video where this guy was showing how to do a dangerous trick of not changing the element, but instead taking out of the earth wire to protect the circuit breaker from being tripped. It is very tempting action to take, but dangerous. The whole idea is to heat up the oven gradually and let the heat get the moisture out from the element or the electrical parts of the oven. Anyway, to cut the story short, I tried a rather safer way. I turned the temperature to 0, and when I turned on the oven again, it did not trip the mains. So I turned the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius, just to see what would happen. To my surprise, it did not trip the mains. So I let the oven heat up for 15 minutes and I continued to increase the temperature gradually in intervals of 50 degrees for 15 minutes each, until I reached 250 degrees, which is the maximum I could get. Obviously, the oven was very hot and some steam was coming out, but I was so happy to see it was not tripping the mains. Now I have the oven working again. I'm not sure if you have a similar problem or not, but if you have, it may be wise just to try the way I try before you decide to spend a good sum of money on buying a new oven or getting somebody to repair it for you. Alright, that's all I want to share. I hope it is helpful for you. God bless you and bye from now.